Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to start off by apologizing for my raspy voice. I came down with something this past week. I'm not sure what it is yet. It's probably just a minor cold or a sore throat, but anyways, I hope you can bear with me. I wanted to announce that today I'm releasing part two of the two-part series that goes over the human torso. This video will go over specifically the anatomy of the male torso, and similar to the first video, we'll go over the underlying skeletal structure and the musculature. We'll color code them and label them with the hopes that we will improve our base knowledge of the anatomy of the male figure, so then we can, with more confidence, approach a series of longer sustained gestures of various male body types, from lean athletic to heavier set. We'll also spend some time going over the differences between the male and the female torso. Anyways, I just wanted to make that announcement, and I I hope you guys can check it out, and you'll let me know what you think. And again, thanks for all the feedback and the support, and for all those who've expressed their gratitude for the first tutorials that I've released over the last few months. It's really been encouraging. So thanks again for that. And I wanted to let you guys see a sample of one of the gestures that we do in this video. I'm gonna play some music with it. I hope you guys enjoy, and again, until next time. Okay, bye.